Well, anyway, so I didn't really record anything today. So, I'm outside in the grass again, having my time with nature with this awesome recorder thing that I learned the alma mater on because I'm that cool. And I didn't really do anything today, so now I'm looking at stars in the nice weather in the grass, which is really comfortable because it's nice and cool. And I hope you're enjoying this. Whoa, look at this lens cap. Look at this crazy lens cap. Crazy lens cap. What are you doing here? I have way too much fun with this camera. Oh my god. Look, do you see what I see? Crikeys, it's a big one. Okay. I'm crawling in the grass. We're going to find Jeffrey Willis. The craziest cat ever. Look. Here he is. Jeffrey, what are you doing, you crazy cat? He's crazy. He's a crazy cat. God, we got freaking planes. Freaking planes in my yard. Oh my god. And I'm rolling in my yard now. And Jeffrey Willis is stalking me to kill me. This is why my life is so entertaining. Because how many people sit in their front yard? Ew. The yard's like wet. It's like gross. And this beard is gross. But who cares? So Jeffrey is meowing at me, which means he hates me. Look at his hair. You like it? It looks pretty cool. All I did today was IAs. So there's people looking at me outside their window, and they're staring at me through their window. They're probably like, what a freak. Like, I'm not even joking. I would show you looking out their window, but I don't know. Who cares? They don't know what I do. No one knows me in this neighborhood, so it's all good. Crap, car coming. Gotta go dark. That was a close one. Very, very close one. Jeffrey, what are you doing? Now Jeffrey's wanting food. Let's go find something to do. Stupid bugs. Where are you? It's like bugs attacking my camera. So the craziest thing happened. I'm sitting over here for like 5 more minutes, and there's like, you probably can't hear it. It's like do 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 do. Like whatever that movie is. It's pretty cool. Oh, I also have my phone, so it's like I'm in the wilderness, but I'm not at the same time. Sweatpants are for hipsters, and that's what I'm doing. Look at my feet. Oh god, look at that tan. Oh, this is grass. Who likes grass? No one likes grass.